Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to delete YouTube channel permanently. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to delete your YouTube channel permanently, then I will show you simple step how to do this. First of all, you have to log in your YouTube ID on your YouTube website. After that, in top right side corner you will find your profile icon. Click on that, scroll down, click on settings. In left side you will find your account. Click on the account. After that, here you will find view advanced settings. Click on this, scroll down. In this you can see delete channel. Just click on delete channel. Under that you will find deleting your YouTube channel won't close your Google account. Means if you delete your YouTube channel, your Google ID will not be deleted. It will delete just your YouTube channel. Just tap on delete and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can delete your YouTube channel permanently. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.